Hey gang, it is Thursday, June 28th, 2018, and I know I've been giving you these updates on the shop, and I wanted to show you a little bit more of what I've done. This back wall is now paneled and painted, and I'm so happy about that. It's alright, I can already see a difference in the light reflecting off of it and stuff. You know, this actually is the wall between the main shop, and what I use as a paint booth. So I'm trying something new here. I cut some openings, boxed them in at about 20 inches, and I'm going to use some 20-inch filters. I'm going to have one there and one over here. And the idea is to try to get some cross flow into the booth, because currently all the air goes through that door. And so opening and closing that door, I may get some dust in there, and it also kind of takes the air at an angle across the car. So by putting in these, I'm hoping that I can get at least some sort of cross flow. And it doesn't need to be much, you know, I'm not in a rush, but hopefully this helps that out. So again, I've got this wall done, and I'm happy with that. Beyond that, I got something else cool to show you. The Mr. Cool air conditioning arrived yesterday. They told me it would be here July 2nd, and apparently they got it in early. So there's two components. That's the outside part, and this is the head unit that's going to go inside the shop. So I will probably do an installation video on that unit, but I wanted to get some other stuff taken care of before I even open the boxes. So I'm excited about that, and I know that big box is real heavy, so I'm assuming there's some heavy equipment in there, you know, with the outside compressor unit. So we'll see once I get to that point. I did talk about in the other video about having license plates, you know, up on the wall, and I had a few people respond to me. Douglas out in Colorado sent me that Mountain Tour plate, and Mike in Wisconsin sent me this Wisconsin truck plate, and then from a Facebook page I received this from Prince Edward Island, Canada. So that was pretty cool, and he also sent me some other stickers. You can see that very well with the light reflecting on it. And I'm not sure, Canadian Motorcycle Cruisers. So that's pretty cool. And then I received these, and these are from a gentleman in Australia, and they're different. I may have to do some body work on these. They've had some serious impact on them, and but they're steel, and they've had a rough life. So I'm going to try to do something with that. Beyond that, I'm trying something new. I got some koozies made for you know, your water bottles or your Coke can, whatever. So if you're interested in getting a koozie from me, go ahead and send me an email, and it's joedaddysgarage@gmail.com, and we'll see if we can't work something out. I'm thinking probably, I don't know, $5 a piece. I think that would probably work. So we'll go from there and see how that turns out. Otherwise, I'm going to be parting with the Ford engine. Nathan, who is a viewer and a fan, his father-in-law, Terry, has decided he wants this engine, so he's going to come get it, and I'm going to be happy to have it out of my space. I think that's about it. Just a brief video. Yep, that's all there is. So once again, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.